Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today we are going to talk about what is the difference between a pillow top or a Euro top. The difference is pretty simple. This is a pillow top. Typically pillow tops, you can actually grab it so it looks like there is a pillow on top of your coil system. And then you go down to something like a Euro top. A Euro top is kind of a phony way of saying pillow top, but you can still see the definition and grab that pillow top. But you know, typically Euro tops are a little more medium than soft. So if you're ever looking at comparing between a pillow top and a Euro top, the pillow top is typically softer than the Euro top, and you can see that in the stitching when it's kind of power packed. That's the difference between pillow top and Euro top. If you have any questions, please comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.